Well, hello everyone, it's me, Daniel with Handy Danny. And I make a lot of videos in regards to talking about the household. I gave you the shower curtain, the curved shower curtain. I gave you the towel bar, I gave you the toilet paper holder. And now we're going to talk about some plants here, okay? So I added this guy right here, plant food spikes, some Miracle Grow for indoor plants. And I think it's the Dumb Cane right there on the packaging. But I have this Dumb Cane, also known as the mother-in-law plant, and this is one of my most favorite plants. I have two of these guys, and I really like this plant. It is very vibrant, very full. It has a lot of different colors into it, and I downloaded this app, and I've been learning all about all my plants. I have a few others that I would like to go over. This is a coconut plant. This is really cool right here. I like that one a lot, but however, I just downloaded an app and I'm learning more about my plants, and come to find out this one right here has, it could be poisonous. You could lose your taste or something like that for 2 weeks. However, I just added that Miracle Grow, as I mentioned, to it just yesterday. It's about 46 inches, as you can see there. Well, we're sitting about 46 inches, and in a month from now, I'm going to make another video and show you its growth. I want to show you how much it's grown over the course of 1 month, and like I said, I have other plants. I have about 11 different plants. I want to say 5 to 6 different species of plants. So if this is something that you're into, something that you want to hear more about, something you want to know more about, please leave a comment. Make sure that if you're not subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe for more videos if you want me to make more videos about the plants and things of that nature. But I really like this plant right here. It's really cool. It adds flavor to the house, and it's pretty easy to take care of. I water it once a week, and it's a pretty easy plant to take care of. If you don't have to necessarily have a green thumb in order to take care of this plant right here, what else can I say about it? And it's pretty simple. Water it once a week, give it some sunlight, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos in regards to talking about more plants, like I said, leave a comment and I will do so. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace out.